Hey everyone! Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss: the key principles for modern web app development in 2024. So, if you're a developer, aspiring to be one, or just curious about what makes today's web apps tick, you're in the right place. Segment 1: Responsive Web Design. Let's kick things off with responsive web design. In 2024, it's all about creating web apps that seamlessly adapt to different screen sizes. We're talking fluid grids, flexible images, and media queries that enhance the user experience across various devices. Segment 2: Frameworks and Utilities. Now, front-end development has gotten a lot easier thanks to frameworks like Bootstrap. These powerhouses provide responsive containers, grids, and components that can seriously speed up your development process. And let's not overlook utility classes that can tweak everything from alignments to paddings across different screen sizes. It's like having a coding shortcut for responsive design. Segment 3: Progressive Enhancement. Moving on to progressive enhancement, this principle ensures that your web app's core functionality works across all browsers. Older browsers get the basics, while newer ones enjoy advanced features. It's about creating a baseline experience first, and then progressively adding features for those high-tech browsers. It's a win-win for users with different devices and browsers. Segment 4: Database Integration. Now, let's talk about the backbone of your web app: database integration. Object Relational Mapping (ORM) libraries make the dynamic updating of site content a breeze. Session management ensures user continuity across visits, and input validation is crucial to safeguard against attacks. It's all about keeping your data secure and your users' experience smooth. Segment 5: Asynchronous Programming. As developers, we know that synchronous code can be a bottleneck. Enter asynchronous programming, where promises and async await syntax save the day. Parallel execution, promise chaining, and event listeners — these are the tools that make your app lightning fast and responsive. Segment 6: Microservice Architecture. Monolithic apps, be gone. In 2024, we're talking about microservice architecture. This approach brings modularity and loose coupling to the forefront. It's about independent deployability, fault tolerance, and scalability. If you want a web app that's easier to manage and experiment with, microservices are the way to go. Segment 7: API-Driven Development. APIs are the glue that holds modern web apps together. Exposing back-end functions through APIs abstracts complexity and promotes reuse. With dedicated back-end teams building reusable logic and the integration of third-party APIs, you've got a recipe for efficiency and functionality. UI/UX Design Principles. All right, let's talk about the face of your web app: UI/UX design. Visual hierarchy, personalization, and conversion optimization are the keys to creating an engaging user experience. It's not just about making things look good. It's about guiding users. Segment 9: Web Application Security. Security is paramount in 2024. Encryption, authentication controls, and rigorous security testing are non-negotiable. TLS, AES, multi-factor authentication. It's about creating a robust defense against potential threats. Segment 10: Wireframing and Prototyping. Last but not least, the planning stages: wireframing and prototyping. Information architecture, simulation, feedback, and reusing existing interfaces are the building blocks of a successful web app. It's about mapping out your app's structure, simulating user interactions, and refining your design based on early feedback. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, the key principles for modern web app development in 2024. Whether you're an expert developer or just starting out, keeping these principles in mind will set you on the path to creating high-quality, scalable, and user-friendly web apps. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and comment for more content on the latest in tech and development. Until next time, happy coding!